everyone, this is Ebony and welcome to EMMFASHION. So today we're talking about how to win Instagram giveaways. Now you're probably thinking this is very specific. I don't do a lot of giveaways on Instagram. Why do I care about this? Well, over the last year I have won personally 5 giveaways and I have helped 3 people outside of myself win a giveaway as well. You may not think that you care about Instagram giveaways, but it's really nice to win like free stuff. Before I give you my tips on how to win Instagram giveaways, first I'm gonna need you to click the subscribe button and then hit the bell button when you wanna know when my videos drop. So my first tip to win Instagram giveaways is follow brands that you like. The reason why I want you to participate in giveaways in the brands you like is because it makes it easier, especially if you're following these brands already. You can be one of the first couple of people to know that they're doing a giveaway, and since you like the stuff, you're going to be more inclined to participate. The last thing you want to do is just start participating in any type of giveaway that comes across your screen or timeline, and then you wonder, what was all that for? I didn't even get picked. 2. Make sure to find brands that fit certain niches that you really like to shop, and make sure they have less than 150,000 followers on Instagram. The reason why under 150,000 followers is important is because the odds are better. When you have more people participating, obviously the odds get worse. Just like the lottery, there's one thing if you do the local pick 3, you have a better chance of winning that particular pot than you do the Powerball. So it's the same thing for the Instagram giveaways. You want to participate in giveaways where the following is not as big as a ASOS or a ModCloth. And these are just fashion examples. But any type of brand that has a big following that serves a certain niche that you like, you want to kind of stay clear from those giveaways and try to find other businesses that have a smaller following or are an up-and-coming indie business that you want to participate in. 3. Stay active on the Instagram pages of these brands. Many of these companies do use like a random name finder, things like that. But usually if you are very active on these pages, if you participate in a lot of things or you comment and show love on a lot of things, then they see your name more often, and there's a certain bias where when someone is recognizing your name, they're going to be more inclined to pick you. 4. Participate in collaboration giveaways. So there are 2 types of collaboration giveaways. One is where a certain brand is giving a giveaway and they've collaborated with other brands and they've put that prize together into one prize. And then the next one is where several businesses come together and they are offering their own grand prize, right? So let's say, for example, the Lip Bar had a giveaway a couple weeks ago, and they did a collaboration with the Taraji P. Henson hair care line, as well as like a whole array of people. I can't remember everyone involved, but there was at least 5 or 6 companies involved, and instead of just the Lip Bar picking a winner, each brand actually was able to pick their own winner of the giveaway, and there was more than just one winner. So you definitely want to do those because that helps your odds, considering that it doesn't have to be one in a sea of hundreds of thousands. It's several. 5. Stay away from long-term giveaways. Long-term giveaways are exhausting. I actually hate them. I mean, if you want to participate in them, you can. But my experience with long-term giveaways, like a month and more, is that you often forget. You forget about the giveaway. It seems like that person or that brand has forgotten about the giveaway. So, and then it makes your odds a little bit less for some reason because there's so much time passed. I don't know. My experience with long-term giveaways has been empty, nothing. A sweet spot for giveaways, I would say, would be anywhere between a week to 2 weeks. It's a nice sweet spot for a giveaway because it doesn't give like the entire world forever to participate. It's only this long, and it keeps you more likely to stay active. Tip 6 is to really participate in giveaways that have a list of things for you to do to build up entries. It's a lot harder to participate in giveaways where you send your email and go, right? You have a little more control of your odds when you do giveaways where they have the list of things like this brand on Facebook, follow this person on Instagram, refer these people, and you build up points. If they have a selection to refer people, that's even better. You can refer more people and then you can get more points building on that, and that can put you above the rest. Overall, my last tip is to participate in giveaways frequently. The more brands you follow in the certain niches that you want to buy into, the more giveaways or the more access to giveaways you have, because everyone is trying to get people to know more about their brand and to buy in. So the more giveaways that are on your plate, the more you can participate, the more likely you can win. Okay, so out of the 5 giveaways I've won, you have seen most of them, or I've talked about most of them on my channel. The very first one was the 150K giveaway with Cece's Closet and the Lip Bar. My next one was the collaboration giveaway with C Rose Go, Copper and Rise, and Allie's Shoes. My next one that I won was the Alberta Venice. I won the Orange Blossom dress. And the next one I won was the Kev on Stage free ticket. I got that from Jackie Ina. She sent me the link on Instagram. Shout out to you, Jackie Ina. And then my very last one that I won was another collaboration giveaway. I won the giveaway made by ITSMRKT. They made a giveaway where they were collaborating with other Black-owned businesses such as Fenty, Buttah Skin, and I want to say Kaeess Nails. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Along with items from these brands, ITSMRKT would give a $150 credit to use for their store. So first off, the first thing I got was the Fenty Snap Shadow number 4. These are the colors in the back. And then I'll open it up for you. I used it today on my eyes, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, this was one of the things I got in the giveaway. Next thing I got is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk, and I'm wearing that now. I'll put a little bit more on, but I thought this was gonna be like icy. Like it looks icy coming on, but it definitely shears out. And I thought it was gonna be too icy, but it's really not. It looks really cute. Next, I got 3 gel polishes from Kaeess Nails. Here we go. This one is in the color Mint Condition. This one is in the color Hot Chocolate. And this one is in the color Candy Apple. And I am wearing the Hot Chocolate right now. It's super cute. I did my nails the other day. And so these are really great quality nail polishes. So I'm excited because this is a Black-owned brand. And now I know where I'm going to be getting my nail polish from. Next thing I got was the Skin Transforming Kit from Buttah Skin. This is also a Black-owned brand. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. You get a card, okay? And we get the serum, the moisturizer, and the cleanser here. So very chic, very nice quality packaging. So I'm excited to try that. So that was the last of the Black-owned portion of it. So I used the $150 credit for ITSMRKT. And one of the things I got was this hat. This hat is going for $99. This is what it looks like. It has a nice little belt around the top. This is the large size, I believe. And I got the large size because I have my braids in and I know they take up a lot of space. And the last thing I got was this cute crossbody purse. Has the gold chain, super cute, vegan leather. And I'm gonna open it up for you. It's very spacious. I regret that the chain is a bit short for me, so I'm going to get like some extenders. But other than that, like, it feels really good. I believe this was going for $68. So I ended up paying just like $18 for the remainder. But yeah, I thought I got some really great stuff. So I hope you enjoyed my tips, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my last giveaway. I have been so fortunate to win all the giveaways I've gotten. I know a lot of people may not think, okay, you only won 5 in 1 year, and then if you count the 3 that I help other people win, that's kind of like 8-ish. But 8 giveaways in a year is kind of a lot. Like, winning anything where the odds are so many people versus 1 to 5 winners is very rare. So I think these tips have worked for me. Hopefully they work for you. So overall, I really enjoy participating in giveaways. It gives me the opportunity to try brands that I haven't heard of yet, as well as it gives me the opportunity to have more things from the brands I do love. Also, I forgot to say in the video or earlier on, long time no see. I'm sorry it took such a hiatus. I have been transitioning to a new space, as you see, and so I've been trying to get myself settled along with my husband. So I'm back. I should be posting every week, every other week for content like this, and every other week for my music content. But yes, thank you so much for sticking around. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social media so we can be friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.